Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by conducting a thorough novelty search for prior designs in patents and commercial products to reduce rejection risk. Use USPTO and design databases and save search reports. Next, confirm inventors, ownership, and assignment details, and prepare an application data sheet with exact legal names and addresses. Finally, plan the required drawings. Include all views, dimensions, shading, and materials, show scale or 1:1 ratio when useful, and note any broken lines for unclaimed subject matter. Draft the application with a single claim. Ordinary, defined by the visual appearance shown in the drawings. Write the claim to point to specific figures and views. Include a brief written description that identifies each figure, the article of manufacture, materials when relevant, and any surface ornamentation or texture that affects appearance. Prepare and execute an inventor oath or declaration signed by each inventor. Include an application data sheet and any assignment documents to show current ownership at the time of filing. File the complete non-provisional design application at the USPTO with the required drawings, executed declaration, application data sheet, and correct filing fee. Keep electronic copies and note the filing receipt and application number. If the USPTO issues an office action, respond promptly and substantively within the allotted period, commonly 3 months or with paid extensions, addressing rejections, clarifying claim scope, and amending drawings only when necessary. After allowance and grant, monitor maintenance requirements and enforce rights. A U.S. design patent provides 15 years of protection from grant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.